Fish on! But it's not what I want. It's jumped a couple times already, so pretty sure it's a ladyfish. Oh, it was a ladyfish and it got off. You cannot beat that. The thrill of catching a fish, knowing it as a ladyfish, and she jumped off the hook. It's gonna be a good day. Fish on! Gotta get my other pole in real quick though. Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. Not a big fish. Oh, it is a, almost looks like a redfish, but it ain't got a dot, so I think it's called a croaker. That's a croaker. That's all it is. You hear him? Yeah. I'll let him go. Normally I keep something like that for bait, but he's just a little bit too big. So, I mean, you can cut him up, but that's not nice, especially for the croaker. Pull out. Just got spooled. Probably a shark. Oh well, now I'm down to 2 poles. It's not going well today. It's okay. Right back to back. So it feels like he's a little bit bigger. Oh, I hope he's a trout. I hope he's a trout. Ready? Just in case. Come on, baby. Being patient's paid off. Staying down. I don't know what it is. It's not a shark. Thinking could be a redfish. Since it's not getting breaking water. If it's a flounder, it's gonna be a champion. See my bobber? See a big trout. Big trout. See if I can nut him. When I say big trout, this is probably the biggest trout I've caught. This is my personal best. I'm gonna tell you right now. Not even keep out of the net, and I'll tell you he's my personal best. Look at that pig. That's probably my biggest trout I've ever caught out here. Is that not nice or what? Woo! I mean, he's not gonna be long, but my gosh, he's even fat. 20 inches. 20 inches and big. Whew. All right, pull out. Fish I lost that I had on. Doggone it. Okay. All I can do is throw it back out there. Fish. See if I can actually bring him in. That would be nice. It's not big though. I've been biting my bait. Okay, just for everybody that anybody that's not watched me fish, here's how I hook my shrimp. Right between the two black spots in their head, where I hook mine. Sometimes that one there I just had hooked to the tail because I was missing a lot of fish. So after I get my pole untangled here, I'll throw it back out. Here we go. Alright, here we go. What happens when you fish with a broken eye? Not my eye, but the pole. But I like this pole. It's a Fierce 3. I'm only missing the top part right there. That's all I'm missing. It's about that much bigger. But sometimes it gets hooked up there, but that's okay. Got another one. This will be a lot bigger. Boat watching me too. That means, oh no, this might be a shark. Big old lady fish. Thanks for watching Horse Retirement Adventures. I didn't catch a lot of fish, got blown off. I mean, the wind's kicked up about 25 knots. Small craft warnings, you know, stuff like that. Did manage to get a real nice trout. I gave it to this little girl fishing on the pier. She wanted to fish, so I gave it to her. But anyway, thanks for subscribing. The ones that they did, the 925 subscribers, thank you. Just tell everybody else, tell all your friends, and then I'd have 1,850 if every one of your friends would subscribe to mine. That would be, I forgot it was, oh, 1,850. That would be pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching. Updated my toe, still red as an apple. And so if there's any doctors out there that have any suggestions on, besides cutting the toe off, which probably could have done, you know, 4 months ago, would probably been okay. But right now, I'm really still banking on it to heal all the way. So hopefully everything turns out okay. And thanks for watching again. Hit the like, dislike, subscribe, comment, do all kinds of stuff. And spread the word. I need 25 times 3. 75 more subscribers. All right, Paul out. Have a great day. Bye.